You heard the name of Iltutmish, first Delhi Sultan?
Yes.
Iltutmish. When he became Sultan, a group of Maulanas came to him and said, implement death or Islam in Hindustan. He had a guru, Iltutmish, Qutubuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki. If you have seen Qutub Minar, that is dedicated to Qutubuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki. He was a very famous Sufi. He went to Qutubuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki. He narrated the story that these Maulanas want to implement death or Islam in Hindustan. What should I do? So Kaki said, what is the value of your crown? He said 5 crores. But what is the value of a cap of a Maulana? He said 5 rupees. Well, as an idiot, think according to the value of your crown. SSP also wears a cap. SHO also wears a cap. Constable also wears a cap. But there is a difference in the value of all the 3 caps. And this difference is because of the difference in thought process. So Kaki said to Iltutmish, ki beta 95% population non-Muslim, we are 5% and we are ruling them. And this is because these 95 are not united. Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, they don't want to see each other. And this is our strength. And when you will keep the hand on religion, this 95 will unite. And if 95% united, मैं तो convert हो जाऊंगा. God is one. You think about yourself. Iltutmish returns back. He reprimands the Maulanas. निकालो टोपी उतार के इतना मारेंगे. What is the moral of the story? Don't allow your rivals to unite. If your rivals will unite, you will be in trouble.